How to buy Bitcoin on Kraken. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can buy Bitcoin with Kraken. In order to do this procedure, first of all, log in into your Kraken account and make sure that the account is verified. After that, you need to go ahead and tap the funding button located in the top right hand side corner. The next page is going to ask you to select what you actually want to do. So then you need to go ahead and select deposit located right at the bottom. First of all, you need to go ahead and select show all asset, and as you do that, you'll be able to locate all of the asset that's available, and from here you need to select particular asset that you wish to buy and click on deposit. Next page, you need to select what you actually want to do it, whether you want to buy or you want to sell. So go ahead and select the sell button or tap the withdraw button from the top right hand side. Then you need to enter in the receiver details such as this, and as you're done entering the information, now you need to go ahead and enter in the exact amount that you wish to buy, and after you're done confirming the details, then you'll be taken to this page where you need to confirm the information that you've provided. If you're sure about it, then click the buy button, and as you're done with that procedure, it's going to take 10 to 15 minutes in order to proceed on or to complete the procedure. So till then you can wait patiently, and that's how you can buy Bitcoin on Kraken. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.